Welcome back to Simple English Radio. I'm Sarah, your guide for learning English in everyday life.
And I'm Jonathan, here to make sure we have fun while learning.
Today, we're talking about one of my favorite topics, street food. Delicious, quick, and full of culture.
Yes, but sometimes ordering street food in English can feel tricky. You stand in front of a food stall, everyone's busy, and you're thinking, what do I say?
Exactly. That's why today we're going to help you order confidently in English, without stress, and even enjoy the experience.
So Sarah, why is it important to practice ordering food?
Because this is real-life English. Not a classroom, not a test. You're hungry, the vendor is waiting, the line is long, and you need phrases that actually work.
Right. And no one wants to just point and hope.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll know 1. Keywords to use, 2. Polite phrases for ordering, 3. How to handle questions from the vendor.
Perfect. Let's dive in.
Let's start with a few important words you'll hear at street food stalls. Repeat after me. Vendor means the person selling the food. Stall means a small shop or cart. Portion means the amount of food you get.
Vendor, stall, portion. Got it.
Great. Here's a scenario. You're at a night market. The vendor smiles and says, "Hello, what would you like?" What do you say?
Maybe 1 hot dog.
Not bad, but let's be polite. Try, "Can I have 1 hot dog, please?"
Can I have 1 hot dog, please?
Perfect. Polite and natural.
And what if I want 2 of something?
Add numbers. "Can I have 2 chicken skewers, please?"
Can I have 2 chicken skewers, please? Easy.
Sometimes vendors will ask, "Do you want it spicy?" or "with sauce?"
That confuses me sometimes.
Let's practice. "A little spicy, please." "No sauce, thank you." "Extra cheese, please."
I'll always say, extra cheese, please.
Me too. These small words make your order clear. Let's role play. I'm the vendor, you're the customer.
Hello, can I have 1 chicken wrap, please?
Sure. Do you want it spicy?
Yes, a little spicy, please.
With or without onions?
Without onions, thank you.
That's $3.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
Wow, that felt real.
And it sounded natural too. Clear, polite, confident. Many learners make simple mistakes. Forgetting please, only saying the food name, speaking too fast or quietly.
I once said 15 dumplings when I wanted a snack. The vendor looked so confused.
Yes, numbers can be tricky. Speak slowly and clearly.
Got it.
Also, don't forget your smile. Vendors respond to kindness.
True. A smile goes a long way.
Street food isn't just about eating. It's about connecting. A polite customer with a smile often gets better service, or even a little extra food.
Nice! And it makes the experience more fun.
Exactly. So your English words matter, but your attitude matters too. Let's practice ordering different foods.
Okay.
At a taco stall, can I have 2 beef tacos with extra salsa, please?
At a juice cart, can I get 1 mango juice, no sugar, please?
At a dessert stall, 1 piece of chocolate cake, please?
Yum! I'm hungry just practicing.
Here's a fun challenge. Imagine you're at a street food market. You see fried noodles, dumplings, and bubble tea.
What would I say?
Say it out loud. For example, can I have fried noodles, 1 bubble tea, and 2 dumplings, please?
Yes! Listeners, try it too.
That's the best way to practice English naturally. Today, we learned
Key words like vendor, stall, and portion.
Polite phrases. Can I have, please?
How to describe your order.
How to respond to questions like spicy or sauce?
And most importantly, how to sound confident and enjoy street food while speaking English.
That's right. Next time you're at a market, try these phrases. Don't worry about mistakes. Just have fun.
And remember, a smile and thank you always go a long way.
If you liked today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Radio, share with a friend, and leave a comment. What's your favorite street food? Happy learning and happy eating.